Buddy, the snow is way more than you bargained for. Oh, uh-oh, we lost our little guy. He's trying to tunnel to the driveway.
Oh no, Willie! Are you getting this on film?
I'm gonna go get him. Yes.
Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, buddy. We'll be right down. Okay, hold on. Okay, buddy. Come on. Ready? Okay, hold on. We do have some plowing done. Come on. Here, let me help you. Uh-oh. We are stuck. Ready? Come on. My goodness, look at it. It's bad. Oh my goodness, where did Willie go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at you. Okay, time for your skis. Where are you going? Okay. It's at least 2 feet. I better go get him now. Okay. Yes, he is.